Hello students, I am Dr. Roma from BDS. Today I am going to share very good news with you and this is a video to congratulate all my students. ये उन students की congratulations हैं, उनके लिए congratulate कर रही हूँ मैं जो online बड़े अच्छे results के साथ clear हुए हैं. I would like to share success stories with you. Thank you. Congratulations to all of you. Today is a wonderful day. आज हमारे बहुत अच्छे results आए हैं. ये बच्चे आपको अपने results दिखाओ. Just show your results, and it is a real celebration and a party time, and we all are celebrating since morning. She's got a wonderful result, 8.5, 8.5, 7.5 in speaking and 7 in writing. 7 overall, 8 in listening, 7.5 in speaking, and rest reading and writing 7. For such a wonderful gift she's given me. 7.5, 7.5, 7. This comes to 7 each. 7